Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, we're going to jump right into it. As you can see, I have some Polishes, I have some onions, and I have some peppers, followed by some neon relish. So you guys can probably figure out what I'm about to make. I'm going to be making amazing Chicago or Maxwell street Polishes. Okay? And we're going to go ahead and do that today. And also, I'm going to be recreating it and making another Polish like a Maxwell, but not quite the Maxwell. Okay? So guys, tune in. See you in a minute. Hey guys, I'm back. We're just going to start out with these onions. Put those in there. That's a piece of skin right there. If you want more onions, you can put more onions in there. You just want to saute these up. I got some olive oil right here. I'm just going to put a little bit in there. Saute those up. Alright. Like that. You're just going to saute these up till they get translucent. Alright, when they start getting a little soft, I'll show you how they look. See you in a minute. Hey guys, I'm back. This is about how you want them. Just like that. So just take them out of there. Put them over there. That's pretty much it for the Maxwell. I'm going to show you how to do the other stuff, the dogs. Now you want some of this debris and stuff in here because we're going to put our Maxwell Polishes in there. Okay, I'm going to lift that up for one burn all the way, which don't worry about it really. I'm going to go ahead and cook up my other vegetables for my other dish. I'll show you how to do that. Take some bell peppers, some carrots. This is the twist to the other one. Turn this down a little bit. And we're just going to saute that up. Put a little bit more oil in that. Just like so. Saute that up. A little salt and pepper. Like that. Now with this twist that I'm doing for my other ones, I'm taking clove of garlic. 1 clove. Put that in there. I'll show you how that looks. See you in a minute. Okay guys, this is done. Take that, put it in a little dish, like so. Now, all we're going to do is take our Polishes, drop them bad boys up in the skillet. Like that. There you go. Alright. Just going to let that go. Drop us some water in it, like that. Put a lid on it. And let it cook till that water evaporate, and then I'll show you guys how it looks in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Let's just go ahead and take a look at it, what we're working with. Okay, they're getting there. You gotta cook that juice out of there. And then it's gonna cook in its own little fat. Alright, see you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. hear that sizzling? You just want to turn these around. Like to keep that lid on there to keep that steam on there. About another 5 minutes, it'll be ready. I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and get these polishes. They should be done. This is how they look. So, this is what we want to do first. Take our mustard, open up our bread, put some in there. I'll tell you now, this recipe don't call for ketchup, but don't mean you don't have to have it. Okay? So, grab us one of these polishes. Like that. Flip flop around. Stick that one in there. See if I can get this one out. Now these two, I'm gonna put these over here, like so. I mean, I didn't make no marks on these for a reason, because these are gonna be my twist right here. See you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Now, first thing we want to do is grab us some onions. Put this on here. I need some of them onions for my other one. How do that look, guys? How do that look, guys? That's delicious. What? All right. Now Maxwell. Now some people, it's a dispute on how they put their stuff on theirs, as far as what type of condiments. When I was going to Chicago, they had neon relish on theirs. So we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit on there. I got these Polish sauces from my local store here called Alwyn's Brothers. So if you guys are in this area, look them up. Tell them Veldog sent you. Okay? So you ain't gotta be a whole bunch, okay? That's all you want to do with that. That's it, pretty much, other than these peppers. Throw your couple peppers on there. My daughter don't want none, so I ain't gonna put none on hers. Okay, that's the Maxwell right there. All day, every day. Alright? Now mine. What I do is take this, mix this onion in with my other stuff. Tell them act like they don't want to work. Okay, we already put mustard on it, on the bottom. Put some on the top. Just like so. Then we're going to take us some of this relish. I mean, not the relish, the sauerkraut, and put that on there. Not a whole lot, man. Just enough. Okay. Okay, I forgot to do one more thing for these Chicago Maxwell polishes. Put a little this right here that I have right here is, so we're gonna put a little of that on there. Not a lot now. Because it goes a long ways, a little bit does. Alright. We come with this. Put that bad boy on top of there. Yep, that's about it on that. And that is it. Alright. Move the stuff out your way so you guys can see all the stuff in your way. Clean this up a little bit. That's good. Alright, there we go. This is mine. That is delicious. Perfect. See if I can turn this way. Alright. Amazing Chicago Grill Maxwell Polishes right here. Veil Dog interpretation with a twist. That's mine without the peppers. Okay? Or if you want to put some peppers on that, you can. I'm not going to do it because these polishes do have a little spice to it. Alright? So guys, please give me a like, a share, and subscribe to this channel. With Veil Dog be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. See you next time. Veil Dog signing out.